Good afternoon, friends. I am Dr. Kanthi Bansal, Director of Safal Fertility Foundation, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I welcome you all on 1st October at 3 p.m. on Thursday. I will be speaking on the topic of advances in the management of infertility associated with PCOS. This is a Seed to Soil webinar series organized by our very prestigious ISAR. I thank our President ISAR, Dr. Prakash Trivedi, a very dynamic personality and also most enthusiastic and energetic Dr. Kedar Ganla. I would like to thank the Zydus Group for giving educational grant and also Dot Mode for organizing this in such an excellent way. This is going to be really interesting as there will be a lot of interaction. I wish that you all teach me and I teach you all, and as we have 1 hour dedicated to this talk, and I'll just give the talk for about 35 to 40 minutes. The rest of the time will be for interaction. So, see you all at 3 p.m. on Thursday, 1st October. Thank you.